Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to design this. Look, it has uh, some angle limit as well. So I'll show you step by step how to design and assemble the scenes. You can sketch on any plane you like. So I'll sketch at right plane. Right click, sketch. uh, you can use the tools from this toolbar, or I use a shortcut. For that you have to just press and hold right click. Then you when you move your cursor, you will see this shortcut wheel. So this is circle, this is spline, this is trim, this is rectangle, this is line, this is smart dimension. So I have put all the um, you know all the most used commands in this wheel. So you can turn in this as well, uh, or simply you can activate these tools from here, like smart dimension, line, circle. So I'll be using this shortcut. Press and hold right click and then move your cursor. For example, if I wanna sketch a rectangle, I'll press and hold right click, then go downwards and look, there is a rectangle. So first draw a rectangle. One thing more, I need a dimension in IPS system. So I'll change the units from here. So IPS system. Again double click to go into sketch mode. So first I draw a rectangle, now a circle from here to here. Then time to give it dimension. Let's give this one. Okay, now this is 1 inch. Let's give this 0.5. It's good. So let's give this 2 inch. Now let's draw another circle for hole. This 0.5 inch. Use the trim tool. Here is trim, or I can simply right click and scroll here. So delete this and these two. Long press and then move your cursor. Okay. Now this is almost fully defined. Now go to features, extruded boss base. This is perfect. So let's make this mid plane. If we make mid plane, it's generally it's better for assembly purpose. So let's give it 4 inch. Okay. Now go to this face, and you can simply right click and do this. So now draw sketch rectangle. Draw rectangle from here to here. Another rectangle, just randomly draw two rectangles randomly. Now give them dimensions. This will be 1 inch. This will be one, and the distance between these two will be 1 inch. Now all four are one. So now what we'll do is we'll extrude cut. But look, this is going only this direction, so we have to do through all both. Okay. If we press this, oh look, we can do a fillet as well. So you can do fillet from here. Fillet. What fillet tool does is it removes the sharp edges. So here, 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 here.
Okay, this is the
Now time to save this model. So go to save, or you can simply press Control S. I'll save it here, and it's the hinge plate. Okay, there are there are basically two parts in our hinge. One is this plate, another is these two plates are same, and another is this pin. So we are going to draw the pin. You can sketch in any of plane you like. So I'll sketch in right plane, circle, draw a circle. Its diameter will be zero point 0.5 inch. So this is in mmgs. We have to change this is in inch. Double click to enter sketch mode. Double click here to change dimension and zero point 0.5 inch. So now features, extruded boss base, give it 4 and done. Now let's save this. Name this pin 1 because we have already opened another similar document. So pin 1. Now now we can remove this already designed model. Don't save. Now the hinge pin is also designed. Now go to new assembly. Now we are going to assemble all these component and make a hinge. So go to browse, select these two parts, open, click anywhere on the screen. Now again we want this part. So insert, browse, select hinge pin and go here. Now let me rotate this so that you can easily visualize. So move with thread, just rotate this. Okay. Now what will happen when we are going to assemble these two is this face is going to insert, this face is going to insert between this part is in these two. So what we will do is go to mate, go to mechanical mate. So here is hinge. We can simply mate from this coincident and concentric, but the proper way is go to mechanical and then hinge. First select concentric section. So this face and this face are going to be concentric. We can only select two face. That's why we don't need to select these two coincident sections. If these two are going to be coincident, then concentric, then this face and this face are going to be coincident. Then click OK. But here is one problem. If we simply keep click OK, then what will happen is these two will this will rotate like this, but we don't want this to happen since we are only limiting the rotation between here to here 90 degree. So we have to change something here. So what we can do is we can go to hinge, right click, then edit feature, right click, edit feature. So what we have to do is we have to specify angle limits. So select specify angle limits, select this face and this face. Okay. Now uh now wait, clear selection, select this face and this face. Now give angle, angle 90 degree. Okay, look. Now this straight was 0 degree before. So then from here to here will be 180 degree. So select 180, which means this is maximum angle. Look. maximum value. Since the straight, initially when this was straight, everything here was 0 0 0. This means the straight is 0 degree. That's why we want maximum this face to go maximum all the way here. That's why we give 180 degree here, so that maximum angle is 180, and minimum angle, this is minimum angle. So minimum angle is, you know, we want this to go only till 90 degree. So maximum angle is uh, 180, minimum angle is 90. So 90, from here to here. Okay, then click done. Now wait. Minimum angle will be uh, first, this is 90. Oh, maximum 180, minimum 90. Now look. Now to adjust this pin, select this face, that face already selected. Now mate, coincident, uh, tick. Again, this face, and coincident. Okay. Exit the mate. This is working well. Now material, add some material. Let's add metal. Uh, let's add iron. Yeah, this iron body. Let's add steel. Add this pin. Okay. Okay. Now our model look like this. This moves like this. So this is restricted. Look, the angle is restricted.